Everybody, it's Jenny Hazeltine here with American Import Auto. Happy Friday. I am going to bring you some more car care tips and things to be aware of on this lovely day because we are still in the month of April and that is National Car Care Month, so stay tuned. First thing I'm going to bring you today is if you have check engine oil soon, or if you have an emblem or something flashing on your dash, it is very important to stop and probably bring that into American Import Auto. If it's flashing, definitely bring it to American Import Auto ASAP. Do not let that wait. But if you have an oil maintenance light coming on, it is time for you to get that oil changed, so make sure you're scheduling that with us. That's the first thing. Here's an example of what I'm talking about. The second thing I want to bring up is maybe you have other lights on your dash. For instance, these coolant lights, or maybe your vehicle's running a little hotter or it's overheating. That's important that you bring it to us immediately as well. You do not want to have anything wrong with the coolant levels. It could potentially turn into more damage done. So make sure, again, you're giving us a call. And lastly, if you are planning any road trips, maybe for summer break or spring break, and we might have had recommended services from a repair in the past, you might consider bringing your vehicle in to have those repairs done. So that way you can get on your trip, get going, get there safe and sound, have that peace of mind that nothing's going to go wrong with your vehicle, and have it thoroughly checked out by us before you go on that trip. Also keep in mind that we have this seasons card, so it's $25 off for anything, any repair that you have. You don't have to be going on a long road trip to use this. So remember, $25 off if you haven't used your seasons card. Get your tire pressures checked, get your fluid levels checked before you go on a long trip, and just ensure that peace of mind. We're here for you Monday through Friday from 8 to 5, and give us a call anytime. We'll be seeing you.